In this video, we are going to learn types of wind. Breeze. It is a light wind. Airstream. It is a strong wind, especially the one blowing high in the sky. Gale. It is a very strong wind. Sandstorm. A sandstorm is the wind in the desert that blows clouds of the sand in the air. Windstorm. A windstorm is a period of bad weather when there is a lot of wind but no rain. Tornado. It is a very strong wind that goes quickly around in a circle or funnel. Headwind. It is a wind that blows directly towards a vehicle. Gust. It is a sudden wind which is very strong. Sirocco. It is a hot wind that begins in Sahara and moves across the Mediterranean. Typhoon. It is a strong tropical storm which has strong winds that moves in circles. Whirlwind. It is a very powerful, dangerous wind that spins extremely fast, carrying away anything in its path. Sea breeze. As the name mentions, a sea breeze is a gentle wind that blows from the sea onto the land. Zephyr. It is a gentle wind. It is often used literally. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share.